morning. Can I start you off with any food today?
Good morning. I have a pickup for Tamika.
Yeah, you said a mobile pickup. What was the name?
Tamika.
Tamika. Yeah, let me check on that. You're all set, ma'am. You can pull around.
Thank you. Hey friends, it's Tamika Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful, amazing, fabulous Tuesday. It is day 10 of Vlogmas and we are still on a roll. Today was like a chill day. So this was like my self-care day. I actually purchased a coffee this morning. I didn't make it at home. I went by Starbucks before I took my daughter to school. And I went by Target. I didn't film any of that, but I had a return at Target. I popped into Walmart looking for a advent calendar for my daughter. I had ordered one from Target the other day and it took me too long to pick it up. So they put my order back because it was a drive-up order. So there was this other one that she wanted and I found it at Walmart. So I stopped by Walmart. Sorry, didn't record that. I think I actually might have been on the phone the whole time I was in Walmart. I can't remember. And then I went and got my hair done. So I'm looking all brand new or whatnot. And I went and got my eyebrows threaded, which I'm still growing back my eyebrows. A couple months ago while I was at home, I went to somewhere and got my eyebrows threaded and they butchered them. And so they've been so uneven. So I've been trying to space out my threading appointments, like to let them fill back in and, grow out, but still a work in progress. We're getting there. So yeah, it's been just self-care for me today, just mentally and physically. So I've had a relaxing day and I hope you guys have had the same. In today's video, the purse or bag of the video is a beautiful bag. It's actually one that initially I did not even have my eye on, and I happened to just walk in the store one day and I saw it and I wanted it. I was a bit unsure of the color, but I did make a final decision and I went with the bag and I absolutely love it. So one day, me and my friend, we were in Venice. When we lived in Italy, we lived very close to Venice. It was a quick train ride and we would go to Venice often. And one day we were in Venice. We were actually headed to Chanel that particular day, but we popped in the Fendi store and it was my first time in the store. So, we didn't have like an essay or anything like that. We were literally just taking a look at what they had in stock. And I came across a purse and I was like, oh, I need that. So the bag of the video is the Sunshine, the Fendi Sunshine Shopper Tote. And this is in the size medium. When I first bought this bag, I was like, oh my goodness, that's such a bossy bag. I absolutely love this bag. It's like, that's her type of bag. Absolutely love this bag. So let's get into some of the details. So it is full leather. It does say Fendi Roma on the front. The back, there's nothing on the back, but it does have very beautiful stitching around the front of the bag and the back of the bag. My lights are pretty bright, but it has gold hardware, which I think is shining in the light. And these handles are pretty much what sold me on the bag. They are tortoiseshell resin. I used to call them acrylic, but I looked at my receipt and it says resin, but I think these handles are absolutely stunning. And I feel like the handles make the bag. So the bag is beautiful. It's a very simple design, a very nice tote bag, but I feel like the handles kind of like set it off and just make it a total package. On the inside of the bag, it's just one big open space, no pockets. At the bottom, that gold writing, it just says Fendi, made in Italy, but there is no side pockets in this bag. So I actually, when I do carry it, I do carry an organizer in this bag, but as far as how it comes, there's no pockets. There are 2 D-rings on the inside of the bag right here. And those D-rings are for the strap that comes with the bag. It is not adjustable, but of course it's detachable and it has, the gold claw hooks on it. And they say Fendi on them, if you could see that. On both sides, they say Fendi. I don't really carry it over the shoulder. I feel like tote bags are a top carry bag, but there is always that option, you know, to carry it with the handle. Having the strap draped across, I absolutely love the aesthetics of that look, but I definitely would not carry it as a shoulder bag. It would definitely, for me, be a top handle always. I have carried this bag several times, mostly on outings at the mall, and I have always gotten so many compliments on this bag. When I initially bought it, I was debating between navy, blue, and this pretty like caramel color, and I'll insert a photo. I went back and forth and I kept saying, man, this navy is so nice, but I kept thinking back to the bag I showed you guys yesterday. If you haven't saw that video, go back and look at that video. But that's probably like my favorite navy bag. So that's the reason why I didn't go for the Sunshine tote in navy. And I also thought that this bag would just definitely, like this bag would coordinate with more things in my closet. I just felt like this color, very, very beautiful. I could pair it with a lot of things in my closet. I just noticed I never took off the stickers. Can you see that? I was like, what is that on my bag? But it's the stickers. I never removed any of the stickers, and that's probably why there's such a glare. Yeah, I just noticed that. But anyhow, I probably won't remove them at this point. Maybe not today, maybe another day. But yeah, so I absolutely love the color of this bag. This, like I said, is the size medium. This bag is still available on Fendi and in the Fendi stores. There's actually 4 sizes, if I'm not mistaken. I want to say there was like a mini, a small, a medium, which I have, and then a large. The large was like big, but I went with the medium. And in addition to the navy, I want to say there was also a grayish color, and there was a cream, and the cream was absolutely beautiful, especially with the tortoiseshell handle. But realistically, for me, I was like, that cream would be destroyed. Like, I didn't feel like it would be a functional bag for like my lifestyle. I have little children, so that was definitely a hard no for me. But this color, on the other hand, absolutely love. So the only other thing, when we were in the store that day, I didn't like any of the SLGs. So they had one wallet that coordinated really well with the bag, but I did not like how it looked. It wasn't my style. I'll try to find a photo of it online, but because there wasn't a wallet option for me, I was kind of sad, because you guys know I am such a SLG girl. I absolutely love matching wallets and bags. Like, that's my thing. I probably have way more SLGs than I should, but I didn't buy one that day, and to this day I still haven't bought one. I haven't been in a Fendi store in probably over a year, so it's not high on my priority list. I think I'm okay for right now, but I love the bag. You know, that's my favorite word as well. I love the bag, and I look forward to, you know, continuing to carry it, and it'll definitely stay in my collection. I hope you guys have enjoyed these last 10 days spending time with me, and I'm looking forward to the rest of Vlogmas season. If you have any questions for me or any comments, put them down below. I love talking to you guys. I try to respond to everybody, so let me know down below. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, and until then, be safe.